Hello everyone, welcome to Kidz Art. In today's video, we are going to draw Leonardo from Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Let's start with the head first. Draw a circle. Turn the circle into sphere by making two curved lines, one vertical and one horizontal. Draw eye socket. Draw eye socket. Draw eye mask. Draw eye mask tie. Draw eyebrows. Draw mouth. Draw teeth. Draw tongue. Draw a circle below head for body shape. Draw eye. Draw eye. Draw a vertical line to mark center. Detail the body. Detail the body. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw stick lines for leg position. Draw thigh. Draw thigh. Draw leg. Draw toes. Draw toes. Draw leg. Draw knee guard. Draw knee guard. Draw shell. Draw shell. Draw stick lines for hand position. Draw hand. Draw hand. Draw fingers. Draw fingers. Draw katana sword handle. Draw katana sword. Draw katana sword handle. Draw katana sword. Draw belt. Detail the belt. Erase the guidelines. Draw an outline over the sketch with the marker. Let's color. Thanks for watching. To get updates, subscribe to Kidz Art.